One of the great things about Starbucks is that you can still enjoy many of your favorite coffee drinks without the addition of caffeine. You can feel like you're indulging in one of your favorite guilty pleasures when really you aren't. Continue watching to learn more about the best Starbucks drinks without caffeine. Pistachio Crème Frappuccino. The Pistachio Crème Frappuccino is reminiscent of old-school pistachio pudding, but with a buttery topping. The ingredients in this popular non-caffeinated drink choice include milk, crème frappuccino syrup, whipped cream, pistachio syrup, and salted brown butter cookie topping blended with ice. You can customize this drink with the milk of your choice. Additionally, you can pair it with different flavors to create a new and unique taste. Blended Strawberry Lemonade. Can you imagine anything more satisfying and refreshing on a hot summer day than what is essentially a lemonade smoothie? The ingredients within the drink are simple: ice, lemonade, crème frappuccino syrup, and strawberry puree. If you want to customize the experience a bit, you can experiment with different juices and flavorings. However, leaving the drink as it is perfectly fine, as you won't regret trying this epic caffeine-free delight. Iced Passion Tango Tea. The problem with ordering the Iced Passion Tango Tea when visiting your local Starbucks is that it's almost too pretty to drink. With hibiscus, apple juice, ice, and lemongrass, the Iced Passion Tango Tea is shaken before being presented to you for consumption. It will bring a smile to your face. While the drink is perfect as it is made, some have been known to add strawberry puree for an even more flavorful twist. Peach Tranquility. While iced and frozen drinks are great, sometimes you just need a warm beverage as a pick-me-up in the morning or during the day. With an herbal tea blend of rose hips, peach, candy pineapple, chamomile blossoms, and lemon verbena, you will go into palate overdrive with just one sip of this caffeine-free drink. This drink is best served hot. However, you can ask for it to be made iced if that's what you prefer. Additionally, you can add different juices and flavorings if you want to change the taste. Mint Majesty. The Starbucks Mint Majesty fulfills two purposes for those who are expecting. Not only does the drink contain zero amount of caffeine, but the mint is known to relieve nausea. And we know that nausea is commonplace in pregnancy. The ingredients within the Mint Majesty include lemon verbena and mint and come in at 0 calories. However, it is possible to incorporate other elements to create a custom beverage of your choice. Some have enjoyed the addition of lemonade or a spiced apple drizzle. White Chocolate Crème Frappuccino. What is a person to do if they can't get their favorite white chocolate mocha? Outside of ordering it with decaf espresso, you can also get it in Frappuccino form. The White Chocolate Cream Frappuccino gives you all the white mocha vibes without the caffeine. However, Frappuccinos are served frozen. Therefore, if you want the full white chocolate mocha experience, this is likely not for you. The ingredients include ice, milk, cream frappuccino syrup, whipped cream, and plenty of white chocolate mocha sauce. Adding a pump of peppermint syrup flavoring will give you holiday drink vibes as well. If you're making a move to reduce your caffeine consumption, don't feel like all hope is lost when it comes to your favorite Starbucks drinks. Find out the remaining 11 on the list from our website. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to find your next favorite restaurants.